This is one of the meals I make almost every week. It's simple, comforting, and it reminds me of home. In Finland, cabbage rolls are a classic comfort food, but instead of spending hours rolling them, I often make this soup instead. Everything you love about cabbage rolls, just a lot easier. I love cooking in the morning, especially when I'm making a big pot of soup or some kind of a casserole. That's part of my food uniform because I like to simplify my eating and I tend to eat the same things over and over again. It takes the stress out of all the shopping and cooking. Over the years, I've learned that meals don't have to be complicated, especially after I turned 50. What we really need is food that nourishes us and fits into real life, with simple ingredients, a warm kitchen, and a pot slowly simmering on the stove, filling the house full of wonderful scents. Finnish cabbage rolls are a little bit different than the North American version. There's no tomato sauce involved at all. They have this gravy over the cabbage rolls that has a hint of sweetness. And that's what I try to recreate with this Kaalikeitto, this cabbage roll soup. It's very comforting and has a hint of sweetness made with simple ingredients. Minus the rice. Super simple ingredients. Like seriously, carrots, onions, and cabbage, and some herbs and spices. I'm using plant-based ground meat for this, but you can use turkey, ground beef, whatever your preference is. It tastes delicious either way. This kind of cooking has become a part of my quiet routine. I like making a big pot of soup at the beginning of the week. Something I can enjoy for lunches or simple dinners. It always tastes better too the next day. Sometimes I add a little extra to it during the week, but mostly it's just there waiting for me, and there's something very comforting about that. I will link all the ingredients in the description, and I will write out the name in Finnish as well as in English. And if you look that up, you'll be able to find various recipes with few different ingredients. You can change it up slightly to make it your own. Or if you make cabbage rolls, you can break that down and add it into a pot with some broth for a soup or stew. The beauty of this is that you don't have to worry about superfoods anymore. I focus personally more on seasonal foods, humble foods, foods that people have been cooking for generations. Cabbage, onions, broth, simple flavors that feel grounding. This is garlic that I've grown in my own garden, and I still have quite a few left. I'll definitely grow some more garlic this year. I'm looking forward to a variety of things that I want to plant in my garden. I think we're all looking for ways to slow down and get back to the basics, and nothing is more like that than a home-cooked meal that's simple but oh so tasty. This is the kind of meal that slows me down, and slowing down is something I've been learning to appreciate more and more with age. Not rushing, not overcomplicating things, just cooking, living a little bit more simply. And if you're somebody that's moved to another country and missing your culture, you can appreciate how certain things just bring back those memories of home life or your grandparents. That's what this soup does for me. It reminds me of my grandmother's Kaalikeitto. I probably said that wrong, but that's what cabbage rolls are in Finnish. They were the best. Let me know in the comments if you like cooking videos. I've even been contemplating doing some live cooking so that we can just participate and chat in real time. If you would like something like that, let me know, because very soon I'll be retiring and I'm looking forward to doing a lot more creative things with you. This is absolutely one of my favorite Finnish comfort foods. And it's one of those recipes that tastes even better the next day. This is the kind of food that quietly takes care of you with whole food ingredients and just very basic but simple flavors. Cabbage is one of these foods that has very humble roots. And I don't think everyone appreciates how delicious it is. Another one of my favorite cabbage foods to eat is sauerkraut. Especially really good fermented sauerkraut because it's so good for you. I'm just going to put this in the pot.
Can I help you to put it in the pot?
There's almost no slow mornings or days for me anymore. When I've had my grandkids, they live close, so they pop by all kinds of times during the day. But it's so cute because one of them is so interested in cooking and just wants to be involved and wants to see everything I'm doing. If you enjoy this kind of slow, simple living, I'm sharing 2 more videos in this Nordic mini reset series. I'll have links to those in the description and also at the end screen. I really believe that people are wanting to slow down and enjoy a slower pace of life. And nothing does that better for you than having some time to just cook and enjoy something comforting to eat. Whether it's by yourself or with family or friends. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. And be sure to catch the other 2 videos in this mini Nordic reset. Take care.